This is what my life has come down to, you guys. Like, partying and clubbing don't get me hype and excited no more, but organizing like these got your girl hype. Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, y'all, I guess I'm gonna be filming a vlog with you guys. I got a couple of errands to run and I figured why not I just take you guys along with me. So if you watch my previous vlog, you guys already know that I just moved into my apartment and I'm finally getting settled in, but I ain't got no food in here, y'all. Like, my fridge is completely empty. I have nada in there, so we need to rectify that. So today I'm gonna go grocery shopping and I'm also going to organize my fridge. You know, since I'm starting off on a clean slate, it's gonna be so easy for me to organize my fridge and hopefully I could keep it that way. So let me go ahead and get on with my day. I'm actually starting off my day quite late today. It's already like 3 p.m. and I've already done my makeup and I just put my hair in a little bun. But before I go ahead and go grocery shopping, I'm actually going to prepare lunch. Big shout out to Daily Harvest for sponsoring today's video. They sent your girl a good amount of food and smoothies to try out. They actually been holding me up for this week, okay? So big shout out to them. Their smoothies and food choices are so convenient and easy to prepare. So I'm actually looking forward to preparing lunch today. So Daily Harvest helps to stock your home with delicious foods that's built on real fruits and veggies and that's delivered to your door and ready to enjoy in minutes. Their service have over 100 gluten-free, dairy-free, and plant-based options that you could enjoy at any time of the day. All of their smoothies and meals are chef crafted and they require no chopping, no prepping, and you could enjoy right away. So for lunch today, I decided to try out their tomato and cremini flatbread. And it's already ready to go. I could just pop it in the oven from here, but you could also customize your flatbread to your liking. So I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, paprika, and I love black olives. So I'm just adding a little bit of black olives, pop it in the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the edges are crispy golden. Their smoothies are also really easy to prepare. All you gotta do is add in some water into the cup. You can add in any liquid of your choice, throw it into your blender, mix it up real good, and once it's done blending, you pour it back into your cup and you can enjoy. Their smoothies are the perfect choice to have on the go, especially in the summertime, good girl. It be hot. So I've been using Daily Harvest for the past month now and I truly love their service. It's super convenient. It's easy to just grab one of their smoothies or meals. It's already prepped and ready to go. So be sure to check them out. And I also have a coupon code for you guys. Use the promo code Stephanie and you could get up to $40 off your first box. My flatbread is also ready. This looks so good, y'all. Let me go ahead and do a taste test. This is really good. And although this is a healthy alternative, it's actually quite tasty. So far, their stuff is good, y'all. The flatbread is on point. I love their smoothies and I'm so excited to try out their soup. So overall, I would highly recommend Daily Harvest. So I'm gonna leave everything down below. So make sure to click the link in the description area. And I also have a discount code for y'all. So make sure to use that as well if you wanna save some money off your purchase. All right, y'all, so I'm all dressed up and ready to go. Just wanna do a quick outfit check. So I just threw on my Chrome Hearts t-shirt and just tied it on the top. I got some leggings. I got my Prada bag and I threw on some Yeezy foam runners. So very casual fit and hopefully the lighting is okay. It's actually very gloomy outside, so it's looking a little bit dark. But anyway, y'all, let me quit rambling and actually head out the door. So let's go. Hey y'all, so we finally made it back from Costco and grocery shopping, and I think I got everything that I need, so I should be well stocked. And I also stopped by Publix to grab some stuff. I grabbed a good amount of food, so I should be good to go. Whatever other little things I need to grab, I'll probably stop by the store again, but yeah, you guys, this is why I love going to Costco, because when I buy my food in bulk, it's just so much more convenient. I don't have to make several stops to the grocery store several times a week. I just do my grocery shopping one time and it usually lasts me about 2 weeks or so. So as y'all can see, I bought my eggs in bulk, I got my lemons in bulk, tomato. So yeah, it's just so much more better. I live for Costco. But anyway, y'all, let me start organizing my fridge. I got a lot of stuff to organize. So I also picked up these fridge organizer. I got these from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave the link to it down below. Matter of fact, I think I'm actually going to start a Amazon storefront and just list all of the home decor items that I have, because majority of my stuff, y'all, are from Amazon. So I'll be sure to link my storefront down below. But anyway, y'all, I got this fridge organizer here. This is a 8-pack, I believe. And then I also picked up this egg organizer as well. This is so cute. This got me hyped to want to put my eggs in it. Like, I cannot wait to do this part. But anyway, let me go ahead and get on with the organizing. This is what my life has come down to, you guys. Like, partying and clubbing don't get me hyped and excited no more, but organizing like these got your girl hyped. But anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and get on with the organizing.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them beds so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say clothes, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I might just chill with your boo, I might just spin on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you whip when it go fast as a horse. I got the trunk in the front, I'm the hottest in the street. No, you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap, and I pay my mama's bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna feel. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These is special, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the scoop, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, he dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, so that little bitch play her role.
so I am finally done organizing my fridge, and y'all, she is so pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh, this is so satisfying to see right now. Just having a full fridge of food and just having it look all organized and coordinated and put together. Now, I highly doubt that it's going to look like this. I'm pretty sure within a week it's probably going to be all messy, but I'm going to try my very best, y'all, to keep it as organized as possible. But this is what it's looking like right now. I organized all of my juices and water here. I got my lemon, my bread, my eggs, my oat milk, my fruits, parsley, salmon, turkey, bacon, sweet potato. I also had set up my detox water. If you guys want to see how I do it, just watch my what I eat in a day video, and I pretty much go into detail how I prepare my detox water. But it's just so easy. I just add strawberry, mint leaves, lemon, and cucumber, and fill it up with water. And that is pretty much it. That's all I do. And I have my other produce stuff down here. I got my condiments over here. Now my fridge is not fully full. I still have more stuff to buy, but so far it's looking good. As far as the freezer, you can't really do much to the freezer. There's really not much organizing you could do. I just put these up top here, and then I have my ice cream and my daily harvest stuff down here. So there's not really much to see in my freezer. And the same goes for my pantry. I tried to organize it as best as I could, but yeah, this is what I'm working with in my pantry. I might try to come up with something more, you know, organized and that's gonna look more put together, but this is what I'm working with so far in my pantry. All right, y'all, so that was all for this video. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here and call it a night. I know this video was a little bit short, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And you know, I just wanted to share with you guys my fridge now that I got it looking cute or whatever. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.